called the polygon. The definition of polygon is any shape consists of 3 or more segments and it should be closed, like square, triangle, or rectangle. About this shape, however, it consists of 9 segments, but it's open, so I can't call it a polygon. The same for it, it has a curve, so it's not a polygon. The summation of angles in any polygon. For example, as we know, the summation of angle of triangle which equal 180, okay, for the square which consists of 2 triangles. 2 triangles which the summation of 2 triangles equals 360. Rectangle is the same as 2 rectangles. The summation of angle equal 360. For example, I have this shape. It will consist for me 3 triangles, 180, 180, 180. The summation of this angle, of this shape, equal 180 times 3. Okay? From here, we can find that summation of any of angles of any shape equal n, which is the number of segments, minus 2 times 180. Okay? For example, this shape consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 segment minus 2, which consists 4 triangle times 180 equal the summation of the shape, angles of the shape. 4 times 0 equals 0, 4 times 8 equals 32, which equals 702. What about one angle? What about one angle? The measure of one angle in one shape equals the same below here, n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, which n is equal the same number of angle equals the same number of segments. For example, the same example here, 720 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal 120, which is this angle 120, 120, the same. Okay.
Hi student, we will talk about polygon and finding the sum of the interior angle and exterior angle of any polygon. What is the sum of measure of the interior angle of a triangle? As we learned before, it will be 180. What is the measure of each of angle of equilateral triangle? It will be 60. How? It will be 180 divided by 3 angles. It will be equal 60. What is the summation of measure of interior angle of quadrilateral? It will be 360. We will learn how to determine the summation of the measure of the interior and the exterior angle of a triangle and determine the measure of interior and exterior angles of quadrilateral, and make generalization on the sum of the of measurement of interior and exterior angle of any polygon. Exercise. Is that a polygon? This is a polygon. 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 Polygon parts. The red one is called interior angle. Green one is exterior angle. Line segment is called side, and the head of any angle is called vertex. Angle, some measure of the interior angle of polygon. We have a polygon which is called triangle, has 3 sides, and the summation of angle equal 180, quadrilateral 360, pentagon 540, n-gon, which is any polygon has n number of sides, it will be n minus 2 times 180. For example, what is the summation of measurement of the interior angle of convex polygon with 11 sides and 15 sides? The solution: the law is equal n minus 2 times 180. First one, it will be 11 minus 2 times 180, which is 9 times 180 equal 1620. Number B, the same, it will be 2340. Find the summation of heptagon, which is 7 sides, so it will be 7 minus 2 times 180, so it will be 900. How many sides does the convex polygon have if the summation of measure of the interior of its interior angle is 1440? From the law, summation angle is equal 1440 equal n minus 2 times 180. So we will multiply 180 in the bracket, it will be 1440 equal 180 n minus 360 by solving the equation and getting the measurement of n, it will be 10. So the polygon has 10 sides. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon with the summation of measurement of vertex angle is given. We have 1260, as we said before. We will write the law, then we will write 1260 instead of s, which is the summation, and multiply 180 inside the brackets, then it will be a linear equation, so solve it and find the value of n, which equal 9. So the polygon has 9 sides. Quiz here. This is an exercise for you, students. Summation of measurement of the exterior angle of any polygon. One, two, three is our interior angle. 4, 5, 6 are exterior angle. 1 plus 4 equal 180. 2 plus 5 equal 180. 3 and 6 equal 180. If measure of angle 1 equals 70, what is the measure of 4? It will be 110, so on. So the summation of any exterior angle of any polygon equals 360. How many degrees are there in each of the exterior angle of regular hexagon? Hexagon, which represent n. Hexagon means 6 sides, so 306 over 6, 360 over 6 equal 60. And here is an exercise for you student, and thank you.
Lesson 3 about parallelogram. The definition of parallelogram is a parallelogram which each of two sides are parallel. This is parallelogram. Each of two sides are parallel, which means this parallel to this, and this side parallel to this side. Properties: each of two opposite sides are equal if this equal 5 centimeters and this equal 5 centimeters. If this equal 2 centimeters, then it will be 2 centimeters. Each of two opposite sides are parallel, as we said before. Every two sides are parallel. Each of two opposite angles are equal. Every two opposite angles are equal. This means this angle equal this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Every two consecutive angles are 180. This means these two angles are equal. Summation of these two angles equal 180. For example, find the angle at side marked with question mark. First, this side CB opposite to DA, which DA equals 7 centimeters, then CB equal 7 centimeters. The same for DC opposite to AB equal 5 centimeters, then DC equal 5 centimeters. This angle opposite to this angle D opposite to D, from the properties of parallelogram, angle B equal 105, then angle D equal 105. These two angles are together equal 180. One of them equal 105, then angle A equal 75. The same for angle C, from the properties of parallelogram, angle A equal angle C, then angle C equal 75. Another example, in the opposite figure, find the measure of DAB and ABC. Okay. Line segment, the angle of line segment is equal 180, a part of it equal 120, then angle BAD equal 180 minus 120 equal 60. Okay, this 60. Find this angle. This angle, because AD are parallel to DC, then this angle and this angle are corresponding, which the summation of two to this angle are equal 180, then angle D equal 180 minus 60 equal 120. Then this angle is equal 120. Four sides for angle equal the summation of the shape is equal 360. If we add 60 plus 120 plus 60 and subtract from 360, this angle will be equal 120. Second, we want to prove this shape is a parallelogram. First, say here DA parallel to CB, and first properties check. Angle A equal angle C, angle B equal angle D. Every two opposite angle are equal. Angle check. Every two consecutive angles are equal 180. Check. You have four properties are checked, then this shape we can call it a parallelogram. Thank you.